Today on Make Shape Create, we're making a miter saw station with dust collection. Hey guys, I'm Corey, this is Make Shape Create, and hope you all had a great new year. Today, we're making a miter saw station. So, Jess and my parents got me a really cool miter saw for Christmas, which we've been in need of. And so today, we're gonna make a station for it. So, we need to cut down a lot of 2x4s to proper lengths so we can get them all joined up. So let's break this thing in and start cutting some 2x4s. All right, I think this is a good first day's work. Basic structure's built. Just need waiting for some nuts for this. But all in all, I'm happy with that. And it's level. Imagine that. This is awesome. Got this all bolted down, it's all leveled, everything like that. I put in these temporary fences, but they're not what I want permanently. We have this wood, I'm not sure exactly where we got this or what the heck it is, but I think this will be perfect for what we want to do. We're just gonna cut this down. I already got a stop block made, so we're gonna cut these down to 26.5, cut a bunch of them down for both sides, glue them up, go from there. one thing we do want to do on here that we haven't done, that we should be doing, is set up dust collection. And to do that, we're just going to use the same setup we made in our moving our shop video. It'll be linked up here. And so to do that, we got a special plug. It's called an auto plug. Now basically how this works is that you plug your tool up here, and when that kicks on, it'll automatically send power to this one, which is for your dust collection, or in this case, our shop vac. So we're going to go ahead and get this hooked up, button up a few loose ends. We're basically done, guys. Alright guys, it's done. Totally operational, level, straight, everything you could ask for. Only thing is, we don't have rulers. We had rulers, they're metric. I don't like metric, nothing against metric. I want imperial, so we didn't put them on. Got them ordered, they'll be here in a couple days. Till then, I drew them on. It'll work. Otherwise, I'm happy. We got our dust collection set up. Might do some stuff in the back here, down the road, not sure. Thinking about adding some shelves, again, not sure. But if you guys would like to see more videos like this, we'll have a whole playlist for you right here. And if you want to see something random that YouTube suggested for you, it'll be down here. You can subscribe over here, and we'll see you next time. See ya.